What's up? It's your girl Queen J. And what they saying, Tarot coming to you with another reading for Taurus. First two cards I got out is secrets and intimacy. Feel like this person got so many secrets they hold to their heart that they can't even share with the person that they love. Let's see what you got going on, Taurus. Spirit is trying to show you something, or Spirit done show somebody something about you, or is trying to show somebody something about you. Yeah. Spirit trying to show you that somebody ain't who they say they is. It's like when they with you, they act like they on your side, but then when they with somebody else, they acting like they don't know you. They acting like a whole nother motherfucking way. Niggas in the street ain't the same. Everybody watching people pockets and shit, trying to take people money. Home invasions. Somebody trying to heal from that type of life, street lifestyle. It's kind of hard to come back from that shit when that's all you've been doing all your damn life. When the table's turned and you got to move and somebody come in that's higher ranked than you and make it seem like you ain't been putting no effort in. A relationship, home, family foundation. One minute you one way and the next minute you another. Somebody else got your attention. Could be same-sex relationship, a lover who left a mark on them. But who you fooling? This person know that you out messing with other people. They know you out robbing people, stealing shit, cars, whatever you can get your fucking hands on. They know you out there tearing shit up. Somebody about to get some type of notice or serve or issue or warrant to their damn house. And you ain't gonna be prepared when them damn alarms go off. Shit. Laugh now, cry later. You ain't even seen it coming. Yeah, they gonna serve that motherfucking warrant and lock your ass right on up. In front of the damn kids, they gonna be hauling your ass the fuck off. Kids gonna be crying and shit. So don't be trying to resist the rest of shit, cause they gonna motherfucking probably tase your ass or kill you one. And be talking about it after the shit is over on the damn news and shit. Yeah. How they put your ass in the box. But you always drinking and high shit. Don't want to listen. Always running the streets for some money. Think cause you dress like money, you look like money. So you actually dead as a motherfucker and don't look like shit. But you trying to protect an image. But shit, not realizing that the people you take it from, shit, they'll cut a motherfucker head out too about that shit. So the same way you can go up in somebody's shit and try to take some shit and have them plead for their motherfucking life, they can do the same. You come up in somebody's shit and get caught and it don't go the way you want it. And then they be beating your motherfucking ass to the police to get there. Then you going to fucking jail. Yeah, they gonna be hauling your ass the fuck off.